Well, I went to the grocery store just with the idea that I was going to get a few things, and then I stopped at the Restore while I was down there. And I picked up this dust collector for a reasonable price. And I got also a handful of wrenches for 50 cents a piece. And this nice Raptor square for $2. This is an old Raptor square. Got to do a little cleanup on it to really see just exactly how old it is. But I think the best deal today was the portable dust collector for $40. Now this, I got to do a little checking on, because this thing, I got to do a little checking on, because this thing is a shear. And yes, it was $10. I don't know who painted it. They covered over the label on it. Oh, Whitney Metal Tool Company. Whitney is a great name. Whitney Jensen. Such a deal. Now, I haven't plugged this thing in. I'm assuming it works. Don't know for sure. It's got the bag and the chute and the hose. It is missing the little vertical piece that holds up the chute next to the job that you're working. But I think I probably can make one up out of some 1/2-inch conduit now that I have the conduit bender. That'll be a good thing. So it was a great day at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. $10, $40, $50 altogether, plus $10 for a bag of, plus $10 for 5 plus $5.50 for a pack of wrenches and a Raptor square. Very happy.